and welcome to Taipei. Crab. It's a soft shell crab.
Hi, I am Cheryl for Hulana Vlog.
Hi! Punta kami ng night market at train. Trouble buddy. Dito kami sa train. Hinintay namin yung train. And welcome to Taipei. Hello. Sa train kami dalawa. Pupunta kami na night market. So, look. Umuulan ngayon dito sa Taipei. Kaya good luck na lang sa aming dalawa. Hi, welcome to Taipei. Sarap ng pan, di ba? Ito kayo. Yung mga kukuso. Teka na, susukin natin. Baka malabs ha? Baka mag-aya, Starbucks. Hindi ko mainom. Ang sarap. Crab. It's a soft shell crab. Sarap. Gusto ko pa. Gusto mo pa? Ito siya. Soft shell crab. ano, yung parang beef nila. Bili lang tayo ng isa para matikman kasi tinan mo yung award niya. May awards na 20. Dami niyang award. So, tikman mo lang. Baho talaga ng stinky tofu, no? Grabe, stinky tofu. Sakit sa ulo. Pero Melas, masarap daw yun. Squid. Fried kasi. Oh, Taiwan #1 chicken. Fried chicken. Taiwan's #1 fried chicken. Ha? Bukas na lang. Sarado na rin sila eh. Tara. Lamang loob naman yun, no? Ito yung parang ano nila, yung parang tiyan mo, nagdadasal sila, oh. No? Parang simbahan, kumbaga sa atin, no?
Chopper.
Bili ako nito. Yap, bili ako si Ellie. Bili ako nga. Oo nga.
Kaway naman dyan pag may time.
Ano to? Yung parang buhay pa. Nakakatakot naman. Ay, ako. Babalik ako dun. Sa van na yun, sa van. Basta, babalik ako sa van. Lalabas na tayo.
Bibili ka ng bag.
Ayan.
Bibili ka?
Oo. Nagkasandali. Ha. Two. Yes, please. Akyat-akyat. Yan, pabalik na kami sa hotel. So, kukunin namin yung number 6. Sobrang lakas ng ulan dito ngayon. Nag-train lang kami. So, follow the sign. Number 6. Kami sa number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Yan. So, dito daw. Ito, foot massage kami. Yan, nakabad yung sapatos. So, namin namamaga sa aeroplano. Sapatos namin. Oh, namamaga eh. Oh, magang-maga.
Yan. Walang pahinga.
Oh, di ba? Walang pahinga. Tapos ngayon, mapapamas. Kasi parang sarap. Oh, makapagpahinga.
Nagawad pa kami niya kasi umulan. Sinisi sa akin ng ulan. Walang payo. Hindi naman ako tindera ng payo.
Yes. The next morning.
Good morning. what day today. I think it's in June 2. Yeah, it's June 2. We're here in Taipei. I didn't vlog that last night or yesterday because we're so tired. And after we check in, we just fell asleep and woke up like around 8 p.m. We arrived in Taipei at 2:30 p.m. and then we check in and then we fall asleep because tired. When we woke up, just like rushing and go to one of the night market here because we need. I think they're gonna close at 11 p.m. so we need to go there. But anyways, we are checking out right now. We have a flight going back to San Francisco. So we stay here in Taipei. We stay here in what hotel is it? Hold on. I stay here in. I can't memorize this hotel. Well, anyway, I stay here in Tomorrow Hotel, which is it's not cheaper, but it is a budget. So we stay here, and the room is kind of like small, but it's okay because the location is here in the Ximending. So it's kind of like when you go out, there's a train stations, there's a night market, there's a lot of stores, and everything is in here. And then yeah, this is the hotel that we stayed, and then I'll show you how small the room is. 1 second, okay? All right, so this is the bed. We used it already, so it's messy. This is the main door. So when you go in, this is what you see. Obviously there's no window, so I need to open the bathroom because I feel like so like I don't know, it's so weird. But yeah, this is the room. Good for me and my husband. And yeah, of course they have TV. That's it. It's just like very basic. And this is, but the bathroom is kind of like a big or larger bathroom, but it's kind of like the basic too. It's kind of messy because we just shower. Right, so that's tub, and they have the toothbrush and everything in there, but you need to ask them. So yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna show it to you the front of this hotel. So this hotel is Tomorrow Hotel. So this is it in the Ximending in Taipei. If you wanna go here, you can book your hotel. All right, I'm gonna vlog in a bit so that you can see the front desk. Thank you. Typically, this is the room. So we're in room 1712. So it's a very basic room. Just go here. We need to open it. We're going to the elevator. Kinuha mo yung tubig ko, no? Kinuha mo na yung tubig ko para may tubig. Okay. Press mo. So when you go to the elevator, this is the lobby. Mag-check out na tayo mamaya na. Ha? Sa bag ko, mag-check out tayo mamaya na. Sa bag ko. We have our complimentary coffee. This is the vending machine. And it's free. And this is the hotel. This is the front desk. And a lot of stores. That's the front. It's ringing. And there's another door at the back. Hello, we're having a coffee. And this is my husband here. And I have the bun from last night.
We're coming back here and we're staying in the same hotel because it's really like closer to everything. So there's a train stations and there's a shopping center outside, but it's kind of like heavy rain and we cannot go out. So we need to stay here and drink our coffee. Coffee is complimentary. I'm gonna eat my bun also at the same time. My bun is really good. This bun is really good. When I eat this last night, it's really, really good. It's not hot now. If I can bring this to US, I will bring a lot. For sure my son is gonna love this. It's a mix. I can't. I need to eat this.
Cheers! Our trip to Taipei, Philippines, Taipei to San Francisco. Cheers! Oh yes, the Philippines pala. If you want to go to the Philippines and if you're not a U.S. citizen or what do you call that, like a Philippine passport, or I don't know, but yeah, they're gonna ask for a travel tax exemption. So after you check in with them, they will not give you the boarding pass. You will need to go to the
You have to queue again.
you need to queue again or fall in line to the different like for the tax. What do you call that? It's travel tax exemption, and it's a very long line. So if you go to the airport, like in the Philippines, you need to give an extra time so that you can so that you will not get late to your flight, because long line to check in, and then long line for the travel tax exemption, long line for the TSA, and long line for the immigration. Like 2 hours is not enough. You need to be there like more than 2 hours, of course. So yeah, it's a very hassle. Okay. Right. So this is the hotel where we're staying. You can like it here. There we go. So when you go out, everything is in here. Okay, fire. Yeah, this is the station. Okay. We are here in airport, like Taiyuan or Taipei International Airport. So we're online. We need to check in. United Airlines is the best. And the airport, twing, and my husband. And this is our luggage. This is a lot. We bought a lot of stuff in the Philippines. This is my personal stuff. Ang laki ng airport. Look, we're checking in. We already passed the TSA. Move here, Labs. We already passed the, what is that? Let's move here. We already passed the, ano nga yun? Yung doon? Yung, basta napasa namin immigration or something. But we're walking to, looking for the gate, which is the C5R. And we're riding on the train or shuttle going to our airlines. Kailangan namin sumakay sa bus papunta sa aeroplano namin. So, pinuan yung bus. Ito yung asawa ko. Hi, love! Hello! Business class. $32. Sinelas sa taon. Dito na ka tayo, diba?
Balik na tayo.
Anong masasabi mo sa trip?
Sulit na siya.
Short visit, but it's worth it, right? It's really worth it. So, Pilipinas, overall, masaya. May mga glitch na papunta tayo ng Pilipinas, pero masaya, busog.
Thank you kay Ate Lisa talaga at saka kay Kuya Joe. Thank you. Nag-enjoy talaga kami.
Please, ang kumbugok na pinuntahan ako. Pero hindi ako sinasabot. Kala ko hindi ako pupunta.
Yeah, kila Ronald, kila Patrick, kila Melvin. Salamat.
Anjo.
Sa Anjo, iba yun eh. Salamat kasi pinuntahan niya si Alan. Ang masaya kaya siya.
Right last minute.
Last minute. At the best is kay Anjo. Like, Anjo, you are the best. I love you, Anjo. LJ, navigator ni Anjo. Tapos, of course, sa mahal na mahal kong friend na si Ethel. Hi, Ethel. Thank you. Tapos, yung Taiwan naman namin is, ano yung Taiwan na masasabi natin sa Taiwan? Masaya rin, di ba?
Nakapagulog eh.
Nakatulog kami. Nakapagpahinga, no? We just,
Kulang sa ikot.
yeah, we rest. It's a short. So, maiksi lang siya. So, parang ano, no? Parang kulang. Kulang talaga. Kasi maiksi lang siya, di ba? Tapos, ano pa?
Gusto ko Taiwan.
Gusto ng, yeah, Taiwan. Tapos, yung hotel namin, maganda. Maganda yung hotel namin. So, overall, we have fun. The best. Babalik ulit kami. Ate Lisa, balik ulit kami. Ate Lisa,
Kita ka sa Japan.
ay, kita na lang tayo sa Japan. Ate Lisa, kita tayo sa Japan. Bye.
Appreciate it.
Lilipad na. Bye. Say bye to my vlog. Bye.
The next day.
Alright, welcome to USA. Ito na kami, kanina lang kami dumating. Pagdating ko, nag-unpack ako. So, ito yung mga binili ko sa Pilipinas.
Salamat kay Anjo.
Salamat kay Anjo. Anjo, thank you. Dinala mo kami sa grocery. So, ito, bumili ako ng coffee.
Nakakasandali.
Oo. Tapos mga coffee, and then Milo. Kasi anak ko nagpili ng Milo.
Yan lang kay Joshua.
Yeah, meron siyang corned beef. Coffee, at saka yung Sister X Ate Lisa, nagbigay siya sa akin ng coffee to lose weight. And then, bumili ako ng corned beef. Sa Ate Lisa, binigyan niya ako ng talangka. More talangka. And then, for Argentina, for Joshua. And then, bumili ako nito. And, ito rin, gusto ko to. Wow! Bumili ako niyan. At tapos, chicha pop. So, different flavor. This is cheese, barbecue, sweet corn, ano pa to? I think sweet corn, barbecue, and cheese. And then, bumili ako ng banana chips. More banana chips, chicha pop, at saka, more Del Mundo. And then, meron ako dito yung sweets. Pagkapuno, sweets. And then, meron ako itong pastillas. Pinili ko to sa Tagaytay. I think this one is another, yeah. And then here, another sweets. More sweets. And, tumili ako ng biscucho. Masarap to sa kape. Biscucho. So, ito yung mga pinamili namin sa Manila. Meron pa ako sa Taiwan. Bubuksan ko na lang mamaya.